Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how to change yarn colors. Let's get right into it. So now here I've completed the first row, and on my last stitch I'll be changing colors. So I'm working a half double crochet stitch. I'll yarn over, insert my hook through that chain and drop a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, and then I'll be switching colors by picking up my new yarn color and pulling them through all 3 loops. So now all I need to do is work 1 chain. I'll turn my work, and now I am on my new color. Now on the first stitch, what I'll do is I'll pick up the 2 loose yarn tails and half double crochet around them. So this will make my work tidy and neat, and I will not need to worry about weaving in too many loose ends. Once you're done, it should look neat and tidy like this. Now let me show you how to do it using a double crochet stitch. So on the last stitch before completing the double crochet, yarn over, insert my hook, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'll have 2 loops on my hook, and then I'll drop the new yarn color. Always remember to drop the new yarn color when closing a stitch. Chain 1, and on the next row I'll work a regular double crochet by picking up the 2 loose yarn ends and working around them. This is how it should look like with a double crochet stitch. Let me show you how I do it with a single crochet stitch. So now here I am on my last stitch. I'll insert my hook and drop a loop, and before closing that last stitch, I'll pick up my new yarn color and pull through all 2 loops. I'll chain 1, I'll turn my work, and I'll work a regular single crochet by picking up the 2 loose yarn ends and stitching around them. Now let me show you how I complete a new row. So now I'm working my half double crochet stitch, leaving 3 loops on the hook. I'll pull through a new yarn color through all 3 loops. I'll chain 1, turn my work. I'll pick up the 2 loose yarn tails. I'll insert my hook through that first stitch, and I'll work my half double crochet stitch. Now I'll half double crochet along this row while hiding the tail within my stitches. Once I've completed this row with a new yarn color, I'll pick up that loose yarn tail, I'll pull it slightly and snip it off. And there you go, you've just learned how to change yarn colors.